I'm here to let you guys know about our new ebook. This right here is a product that we have right here called No Excuses. Nice, good sturdy hats. See this one right here called Purpose Over Excuses. We also have our shorts right here. As you can see, we got our tag. Check out all our social media. I don't know if you can see that. You can check out. Catch us at TNG Prints at IG, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and also YouTube. And check us out at tngprints.com for gear and also did stuff like this. Still Show Love. The book teaches you how to do all this good stuff, man. All this stuff right here. This is our hoodie. Still Show Love. To show you where to get the products from. Show you how to actually, you know, get your stuff out there so people can see. We also have these glitter joints we did right here. So this is like glitter with vinyl. Also check out our jackets and stuff that we have. See the back. Teach you how to do that also. And you can download the digital copy. But if you want, we do have books right here. This is the physical copy that we will send to you as you purchase it through our website that or our link that we will be sending to you. So yeah, it's called TNG Prints the Plug, man. And I'm gonna tell you a quick story about how we started. This is a necklace right here that we made, Purpose Over Excuses, even down to our own jewelry. So yeah, we teach you guys all of that good stuff, man. All of that good stuff on how to do it in this ebook. Excuse me. All right, so a little bit about us. Started this in 2015. We are now into 2023. All right, so let me tell you how we first started off. I started off with a heat press machine. And what happened was, instead of me learning Celsius and Fahrenheit, I ended up putting the joint on Celsius. But I thought it was Fahrenheit. So what happened was, I burnt my first shirt. Like my first shirt, I fried it. Like that thing was like fried. So what I did was I got a little, you know, upset. Got a little, you know, discouraged. So I said, you know what, forget this. I ended up selling the joint. Gave it to a lady. She ended up doing her thing with it. Now I'm looking like, dang, I should have kept that because it worked. I just ain't pay attention to what I was doing. And I was looking at Celsius and thought it was Fahrenheit. So sometimes you don't give up with what you're trying to do just because it don't work. You just got to take your time and keep going with it. So basically what I did, I created an ebook to help people. Help people how to do what they got to do, to not give up, to not quit. You can skip the mistakes that I made. And this right here also teach you not just how to make a shirt, but it teach you ads. It teach you basically where to get some of your products from. It teach you what machines to use. All of that good stuff is right here for only $9.99, y'all. Not even expensive. 10 bucks. You can invest 10 bucks into your future, bro. You can do that. 10 bucks. And I'm trying to tell you, this right here will teach you a lot. So therefore, you don't have to be like me and make mistakes. You could just go ahead and straight do your thing straight from there. So yeah, man, make sure you cop this right here. You can also find us at tngprints.com. If you go to the ebook section, once you get there, we have it for the same price, $9.99. We also have it on Amazon. We have it in a couple of book places that you can go find us at, and I will put it in the video so you guys could go see that. But yeah, man, this is it right here. TNG Prints, the plug. See right here, the story that I just told you guys is right here in the back. So it's no cap, man. It's no cap in my rap. The story that I just told you guys about how I started, this is how we became who we are today. TNG Prints. So yeah, man, make sure you guys go check us out. We got hats, hoodies, all that good stuff. And yeah, man, don't give up on your dream. Don't give up on your passion. Keep rocking no matter how long it takes. This is your boy, Travis at tngprints.com, signing out. Love you guys. Respect.